Good morning, children. Welcome to science class. Today we are going to learn about prevention from harmful insects. To prevent any damage from harmful insects, we must take some preventive measures. Insects transmit germs causing diseases such as cholera, typhoid, malaria, dysentery, etc. Certain steps are to be taken to keep insects away. Living house and surrounding area should be dry and clean. Water should not be allowed to collect and stay for a longer time outside homes and surroundings. Food items and drinking water should be kept covered. Avoid eating food from roadside vendors or stalls. Pest control can be done to avoid bedbugs and other insects. Hair and body should be cleaned properly and lice treatment can be done. Natural insect repellent can be used to control mosquitoes and cockroaches. Applying insect repellent on skin also prevents us from insect bites. When we step out, we must avoid wearing any perfume that may attract insects. We must avoid going near dirty water bodies like lakes and ponds because mosquitoes are mostly found around them. While sleeping at night, it is always beneficial to use insect nets and mosquito repellent coils or machines. Farmers use insecticides to save their crops from any damage due to insects. Good morning, children. Then the next topic we are going to learn insects in the environment. We have learned many things about insects, that insects are useful in many ways. Insects are play very important role in pollination as they transfer pollens from one flower to another flower. Insects like bees, wasps, and butterflies carry pollen from one flower to another and help in pollination. This helps new plants to grow in the garden, farms, and forests. Insects like crickets, beetles, and flies help in recycling garbage by feeding on our waste. The they eat our household waste, garbage, so that they will help us to maintain clean environment. They also feed on our dead leaves and branches. They eat other insects and plants as their food and thus maintain a balance in the food chain. Insects are very helpful in maintaining a food chain balance. If insects would have been not there, the other animals would have not got their food. For example, if you observe in a food chain, grass is eaten by grasshopper is eaten by bird is eaten by snake is eaten by eagle or any carnivorous animal. So this chain represents how one animal is depending on the another animal for the food. If one of them is missing, the balance between these chains goes wrong. So to maintain a proper balance in a food chain, insects help us lot. The food chain shows how each animal is depend on the other for its food. For example, a grasshopper eats a grass and the bird feeds on the grasshopper and the snake eats a bird and the owl or a eagle eats the snake. If all insects disappear, the balance in our nature will be disturbed in many ways. So insects are very useful in maintaining balance in our nature. Thank you.